All right, we're finally here. Underneath this tarp, we have a 2006 CRF 250R, or at least technically a 2006 CRF 250R. It is a custom, fully built dirt bike that we've been working on for a long time. I rode this thing up in the woods and I broke the piston. We're here.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Well, I'm excited. This has been a long time coming. Well, 4 months coming anyways.
4 months coming. Yeah, he's been on trips. I got engaged. A lot going on. Finally did it.
Finally did it. And I'll say if I had anything, it was the anxiety of starting the engine up the first time. I've never built a motorcycle engine. It's always been cars. But if you look back at the other videos, you'll see how we had this thing totally tore down, and it's put back together and it started.
Yep. So don't leave. We're about to show you this.
Hey everyone, my name's Alex. You haven't seen me before, but I have been kind of behind the scenes. I am engaged to Dale. Dale's that's going to the bloopers.
Oh jeez.
How do you feel about that? Yeah, no, he's engaged to my daughter.
Okay.